So this is a 2017 Honda Civic Si that I bought for my son at Copart. If you remember in the April video, the front end was damaged. This car is all done now. I wanted to do like a wrap up of this thing, a little walk around, and talk about how much it actually cost me. So as you'll see in the end, I saved about 50% off a comparable Honda Civic that you could pick up at a Honda dealer like this by going this route. Okay, so here it is. As you can see, all of this has been replaced. It all looks good. It looks like a new car already. This car has a rebuild title, so, we did the inspection on it. But, basically a lot of front end outside components were replaced. It was mostly sheet metal damage on this thing. And as you see now, the car looks great. It's like a brand new looking, well, as nice as a 2017 car is going to look. Like I mentioned in my last video, this car spent almost its entire life in Texas. So it never had any kind of salt on it. Take a look inside. In the April video, like you saw, the airbag was deployed. This seatbelt was also damaged. I had to have that stuff reset. But the rest of the car, it looks brand new. We're going to pop the hood. As you can see underneath, the radiator support and the plastic shroud on top has been replaced. I did wind up replacing the radiator and the condenser. The condenser actually was still holding pressure, but it had a bend on it. That upper charge pipe right here, that was replaced. I'm going to add a few videos here to talk about some of the parts that I replaced along the way. I shot a few short clips. But as you can see, this car is great. If you remember in my last video, the frame rail here, and the bumper, everything going down, was not damaged. It was literally just like surface components, a bumper cover, headlight, fender that needed replacement, and the hood. Yeah, if you see, look at the tight fit of this stuff. Really nice. Look at that hood gap. Beautiful. Nicely put together. All right, we're going to start the car up. I'll show you guys. It's beautiful. Everything's working as it should. I had the airbag computer reset on this car. There's no warning lights, nothing on it. Look at that thing, beautiful. So right now, it's got 75,000 miles. I've put about 600 miles on this car already since we put this together. Between me and my son. Yeah, I thought you guys would get a kick out of this thing ripping. So watch, listen to this. Look at that shift light. Oh, feel low. Yeah, so like I mentioned, I'll show you the cost breakdown right now. But at the end of the day, this car cost me total all in about $10,500. If you go look online, right now around me here at Auto Trader, they're typically $18,000 to $20,000 at Honda dealers, various dealers, even private parties. So I feel I saved a significant amount of money buying the car at Copart and putting it together this way. I think this worked out great. And like I mentioned, if you're interested in something like this, check out my first video. I do a walkthrough talking about what I look for when I look at these cars to make sure, I don't get one with like hidden damage, too much frame damage, that the car is something that I can handle. It's worth your time if you're thinking about buying something like this and trying to, basically save money. All right, so you can see, started taking apart the front of the Civic. All the bumper assembly is all off, top of the radiator support. Mostly it's just putting stuff back together. I have to get ready to replace this pipe. Okay, I mentioned this looks like nothing. Normally I would have expected it to just be a little pipe here that connects right there, but it actually goes in much further down. It's going to be like a little bit of a job to do this, but it's not the end of the world. I'll show you what this pipe looks like. It actually looks like this. You can see it bolts in, way down in there. Also, if you look around the garage, look at how many parts. I got hoods, radiators, fenders, bumper covers, core supports, like everywhere here, man. Looks like, you know, a car parts place blew up. It's kind of crazy. Look at all these parts. And over here, my son's working on the Corvette. He's putting in a AccuSump and a engine oil cooler as well. Separate project. Okay, so the turbo hose, the intake pipe is replaced. So I gotta fix this wire harness here. Next, as you can see, everything's kind of buttoned up now. This hose, it's got a little tear in it. That's a coolant intake for the turbo, so I gotta replace that. Unfortunately, the whole assembly is one unit you gotta buy. Everything else is coming together. I'm gonna be taking off the rest of the core support today, start rebuilding this thing. So we're looking at the costs on the 2017 Honda Civic Si. You can see I bought it in April. My price, final bid price on the Civic was $5,400. By the time I put in Copart fees and my buddy's fee, you know, he charges, I think, $170. So I'm in it another grand, so like $64.55. Shipping, $275 over here to my place. You know, I had to buy a bunch of parts. You know, the hood, radiator, condenser, core support. You know, these are all normal parts. I got them at, these are all at Crash Parts Place. You know, hinges. The front bumper, a Civic Si front bumper is hard to get. I couldn't find an aftermarket one really at a good price. The U-Pull yards around here don't really have this generation of Honda Civics. You know, I remember I'm in Michigan, there are a lot of domestic cars, right? Hondas aren't as popular as they would be like somewhere down south or on the West Coast. So I ordered that from the Honda dealer, $350 just for that bumper cover. You know, in comparison, if you go to the U-Pull lot, they're like $50, $60. And you can usually get one in color. That's usually how I try to pick cars here in Michigan, by the way. You know, fenders, you know, I order online, lights, grill. The intake pipe that I was talking about in this video and in my last video, that alone was $266. It's a unique part for the Civic Si. The regular Civic one has a ton of aftermarket intake pipes available for $50, but not the Civic Si. You know, upper bumper beam, you know, a whole bunch of like little small things. There's a leaking turbo coolant pipe that I had to replace. Basically, it was just a little rubber hose, but I had to replace a whole assembly that came with the hose for this. So that was $39. The radiator fan and the actual radiator fan shroud, those were unfortunate. The fan shroud had a little crack in it. And, you know, because this is going to be my son's car, I'm hoping he keeps it all the way through college. I'm like, I don't want that to stay like that. So I got another new fan shroud from Honda. And the radiator fan blade itself, too, there was a little nick on one of the blades. Just enough that I figured, you know, this is going to be hard to get to. On this generation Civic, the radiator fans aren't the most accessible thing. So, like, if I put this together and over that little nick there's an imbalance and the fan is shaking, I might have to tear apart a lot of stuff to get back at this thing. So I got another fan blade. My buddy painted the hood. Actually, we painted here the rest of the parts, the front bumper cover and the fenders. You know, like in our family, we've been painting cars for a long time. The hood itself, I was just worried about any dust settling on it, so I wanted it to be done in like a pro paint booth. That's why I took it to my buddy's dealer to have that done. And it came out really great. One surprise for me on these cars, all these like little clips, all these little trim pieces, you know, because we don't have a U-Pull lot with this generation car, I had to buy a lot of this stuff piecemeal. That added up. Everything's like $20, $30. I'll show you a little like eBay summary of things I actually bought along the way. You know, the airbag, $460. Reset the computer and belts. I know a guy that does that kind of stuff. That was $140. You know, the inspection to go from salvage to rebuild, $200. Tax, title. So my total, $10,590. So did I do well? I think I did. I was kind of thinking this is where I was going to end up between $10,000 and $11,000 on this car. And, you know, I've been doing this for a long time, so I was right. Now take a look at some of these prices here that I'm going to show you. You know, if you look at Auto Trader, These cars are between $18,000 and $20,000, you know, for a 2016, 2017, 18 Civic Si with comparable mileage. So I think I did great. You know, I got one basically for almost half price. Anyway, I wanted to walk you guys through the costs. It wasn't horrible work. I mean, I just, like you saw, I did this stuff in my garage here at home. You know, you're just unbolting all the old crash parts. The car itself was straight. So then you're basically just like rebolting on the fresh parts. Anyway, thanks for watching.